Hello grade 10. Hello grade 10s. Welcome back to another video with Mandy. Okay, today our lesson is on number pattern, term 4. Number pattern. Please guys, grade 10, use this question paper to prepare for your November 2025 exam. All right, before wasting any time, guys, November 2025 exam question. November 2025 exam question. All right. So, okay, let's get started with question number 3. Consider the following linear number pattern. So 3, right on the other side, question 3, 8, 3, and -2. The 3.1.1, write down the next term of the pattern. So we're looking for term 4. This is T1, this is T2, this is T3. Now we need what? We need T4. And when we're looking for T4, one thing we need to do is to look for a what? For a constant difference. Let's just check if the pattern is increasing or decreasing, and we know that a linear pattern must have a what? Must have a common same common difference. So in order for us to get the common difference, or to get our D, is what? Is T2 minus T1, or D is what? Is T3 minus T2. All this must give me the same what? Must give me the same answer. So it's gonna be 3 minus 5, 3 minus 8 is gonna give me -5. And then -2 minus 3 is gonna give me -5. And then which means that even here we have -5. And then here we have what? Because the pattern is what? Is decreasing. We have negative what? We have -7. And then 3.1.1 answer is negative what? -7. And then 3.1.2 determine the nth term of the pattern. So the formula to get the nth term is what? Is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 times what? Times D. A is the first term of the, A is what? Is the first term. And then D is what? Is common D, is common difference. It's common difference. And my A is 8 is the first term, is 8. And then my D is what? Is -5. And then I will substitute here. Tn is, A is 8 plus n minus 1. And therefore D is negative what? Is -5. Then I'm going to apply a BODMAS rule here. What is inside the brackets? What is outside the brackets must be multiplied with what is inside the brackets. So -5 times n is going to give me -5n. -5 times -1 is going to give me positive what? +5. Tn is -5n plus 18. Guys, you can verify this pattern. You can check if your pattern is correct, the formula that you got is correct or not. Where there is n, when you put 1, where there is n, you can prove if you want, ne? You can prove if you want. So where there is n, if you put 1, it must give you what? 8. Where there is n, if you put 2, you must get what? 3 to verify or to check if we got the correct answer or not. Okay. Let's proceed to 3.1.3. Determine the value of the 25th term. The value of the 25th term. So here, guys, you're going to substitute where there is n. You're going to put 20. You're going to put 25. Right. 3.1.3. So T25 is going to be minus 5. I'm going to put 25 plus what? Plus 13. Guys, let me punch on my calculator. Let's see what is the answer. Let's see what is the answer, guys. Let me do it on my calculator. Okay. So the answer is minus 112. Minus 112. Okay, guys, let's proceed to 3.1.4. Let's proceed to 3.1.4. Okay. Hope you all can see now. Right here. 3.1 point what? 3.1.4. Our question says that which term of the pattern is equal to minus 527? Which term of the pattern? Which term means n? We are looking for an n. Whenever you see a question says which term, just know that we are looking for what? We are looking for an n. Okay. So I'm start by writing down my general formula plus 18. Where there is Tn, because we are looking for an n, where there is Tn, now we have to put what? We have to put minus 527. Minus 527 equals to minus 5n plus what? Plus 13. I will take this 13 to the other side. And we know that when we take a term to the other side, it must change what? It must change what? A sign. So minus 527 minus 13 was to minus 5 what? N. So let's just punch on our calculator. Minus 527 and minus 13. It's gonna give me what? Let me quickly punch on my calculator. It's minus 527. It's 540. Minus 540 minus 5n. I'll divide by minus 5 both sides. Therefore, my n is gonna give me 108. The answer is 108. Okay, guys, let's proceed to the next question. 3.2. I'll write 3.2 here. 3x plus 1. This is the first. 3x plus 1, 2x, 3x minus 7 are the first three terms of a linear number pattern. Determine the value of x. Determine the value of x. Guys, when you see a question like this, a linear pattern, we know that a linear pattern must have the same their difference must be equal. Now that's the strategy that we're going to use to tackle this question. I know that my difference must be what must be equal, right? I'm going to minus T2 with T1, and then I'm going to equal it to what? To T3 minus T2, because a linear number pattern, the difference must be what? Must be equal. Okay. So I'll write down here 3x plus 1, 2x, 3x minus 7. So T2 minus T1 is going to be 2x minus my T1. I'll put in the brackets because we have two terms, right? We know this, BODMAS rule, 3x plus 1. And then T3 minus T2 is 3x minus 7 minus 2x. So 2x negative, these two must be equal, right? So let me write down first. 3x plus 1 must be equal, because I know that in linear number pattern, the common difference must be what? Must be equal. 3x minus 7 minus 2x. Now we'll multiply 2x. Negative times 3 is going to give me minus 3x. Negative times 1 is going to give me minus 1. 3x minus 7. Negative times 2x is going to give me minus 2x. And then 2x minus 3x is going to give me minus x minus 1. 3x minus x is going to give me x minus 7. I will take this x to the other side. Or I will take this x to my right-hand side, or any you want, or you will take this to the other side. It's still okay. So minus x, I'll take this to this side, minus x minus 7. I will take this to the other side. It's going to give me a plus 1. Okay. So minus x is minus 2x minus 6. I'll divide by minus 2. I'll divide by minus 2, and x must give me 3. And x must be what? Must be 3. Guys, you can prove if this is indeed what. You can just prove in your answer sheet or in your working book to check if 3 is the correct answer. Where there is x, if you put 3 at the number, the pattern must be what? Must be linear. Well, let's just prove. This is not, don't write this in your exam question paper, guys. You can just prove in where you're doing workings to check if the answer is correct or not. Okay, guys, let's quickly prove. So when there is x, I'm going to, don't write this in exam, right? Don't write this in exam. 3, I'll put 3 here, plus 1. Where there is x, I'll put 3. Where there is x, I'll put 3 minus 7. 3 times 3 is 9, plus it's going to give me 10 here. It's going to give me 6. 3 times 3 is 9, minus 7 is what? Is 2. Let's check if we're going to have the same common difference. 6 minus 10 is negative 4, and negative 4, meaning that my 3 is what? 3 is correct. Guys, that's it. Please make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit notification bell to be notified of our future uploads. Please, guys, hit that subscription button to be, and please subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe. So let's grow. Let's grow. Hope by next year will be bigger. Okay, that's it. Please subscribe for more videos, for more topics for November 2025 exam preparation. Guys, please check my uploads. That's it.